Salut! Today we are going to unbox my new Mac. It's been exactly 7 years since I last bought a Mac, and while I absolutely love my iMac, it was outright letting me know that it's hot enough and I needed a new machine. You see, I've been using Macs for the past 15 years and I cannot see myself switching to Windows ever again. I won't bash that system, it's just not for me. So for my next upgrade, I would definitely need a new Mac. Since Apple decided to cut the 27-inch iMac out of its lineup, I was faced with an issue: either get the current 24-inch or go back to using a MacBook Pro, something I hadn't done since 2012. Those machines are a downgrade in my eyes. They are smaller, nor do they look good to me in any way, especially with those wide bezels. So at first I thought, maybe I should get a MacBook Air 15-inch, but after customizing storage and RAM I found myself in the territory of MacBook Pros. I decided to compare the two lines and found that the SSD speeds are faster on the Pro line, especially once you upgrade to 1 TB of storage on the Pro line. On the MacBook Pro, the screen is much better, so are the speakers, the ports, and of course, performance. So after some thinking and researching, here I am, finally upgraded after 7 years of solid work with the iMac. Which brings me to the important point that I hope these new Apple Silicon machines last us all at least the same amount of years as the Intel machines did. Obviously, Apple would ideally love us to upgrade every year, but that's pretty much impossible for the majority of us. And honestly, that would be insane too. So here it is, unboxed, unpacked, space gray MacBook Pro 14-inch M2 Pro. Now let's get to work with it. I hope you enjoyed this little story and unboxing, and see you in the next one. Au revoir!